you got your fill or your drain and your top.
These guys are sitting here giggling.
A lot of guys use some funnels and stuff. Just loosen just enough that the oil comes out. Don't want to go any further because there's an O-ring back there that you can damage. Quarts, so we'll use our 2-gallon jugs and we'll just leave 1 quart in the jug. And we are full of oil, so we got it up on the beads there. And obviously the last thing we'll do is run the motor, make sure we don't have any leaks. I have a low water pickup on these things, so I like to tape those off before I put my flush attachment. See? Yeah, it's a grease zerk, why not? Why not?